Hi and welcome to the demo tutorial of GoZen Notify. When you first log into GoZen Notify, you will be on your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see analytics and metrics of all your campaigns, from total active subscribers, the total number of notifications sent, the total delivered, the total opened, and the total number of unsubscribers. And you can also see your recent campaigns and the time and date it was created, and you can also see the analytics of each of your campaigns. The first thing you need to do is connect your website. You can access it from the dashboard, or you can click on websites and click on connect website. You need to give the name and URL of the website and then click on connect. There are two steps to connect. If it is a custom website, you need to add the following code to the main HTML page of your website, anywhere above the closing tag. And then on the step 2, you need to download the service worker file and extract the zip file that contains sw.js and copy them into the root folder of your website. To connect your WordPress website, you need to copy this code and you need to download the service worker file. You need to navigate to WordPress. On your WordPress, navigate to the settings. Insert script in headers and footers. Click on that. You need to paste the script in the body tag. And then you click on save. Then you need to download a file manager. And now you need to unzip the file and upload the sw.js file to this file manager on the public folder. You need to select your file and upload. Here is the sw.js file. The same block override bell icon is also used as a push inbox and a push configuration. That is basically on the push inbox, there will be inbox of all the previous push notifications we have sent. And on the configurations, the users can choose the category which they want to subscribe and receive notification to. So here you can mention the item name and you can give a tag name for it. You can add new tags as much as you want. You can click on save. To create a campaign, navigate to campaigns and click on create campaign. Here is the preview of your campaign on different devices. You need to enter the title and the text and the destination URL. And this is the generate using AI button. So I'm giving a destination URL and click on autofill. You can see that the title and the text has been generated. When you click on create generate using AI, you can see a different variety of content is generated and you can choose the best one out of it. You can change the image size, and if there are any image in the URL, that will be generated here, and you can send a push notification with a small image. And you can mention the campaign category and the time to live period. So the time to live period determines how long the system will monitor a user's device status so that a push notification can be delivered. As soon as the user is online, during the first time to live period, the system will deliver the notification. The subscribers who are offline during the entire time to live period will not receive it, and once the time to live period has ended, no more deliveries will be made. And here is a distributed delivery. This is this feature is mostly because when a website has too many subscribers, then sending a push notification to all of them at once will have negative impact on the performance of the website. So this option is to send out a push notification campaign over a period of time. When you use this feature, the system will send a batch of notification to a subset of your subscribers and every 5 minutes during the interval you select. And you click on save. And next is the targeting option. So this targeting options will work only if you have subscribers in your account. So you can filter subject, or you can send to a specific segment of subscribers. You can choose by the tag names, and you can choose based on the browsers, countries, cities, time zone, the OS and the language. And on segments, you can click on segments and you can choose a specific segment, or you can click on create segment from here and segment. Based on that, you can send your push notifications. Let us get started with automation. So here is the pre-built flows. There are 4 different flows, from welcome notification, tag change, trip campaigns, and return inactive users. When you click on welcome notification, you need to have your campaigns already built on create campaigns before getting into automation, so that when you click on this plus icon, click on add new, and here you will be asked to choose your actions, that is send notifications. In this place, you need to choose already created campaigns and click on save. And you can also add time delay and mention how many days and the duration type, and you can also exclude days which you don't want to. So we have documentation on how to use this tool, and we also have live support chat. You can reach out to us. So thank you for watching.